Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious nachos masala. This guide will walk you through each step, from preparing the flavorful masala to perfectly baking your nachos. You will learn to combine crispy tortilla chips with a vibrant, spiced vegetable topping and gooey melted cheese. Get ready to create a fantastic snack that is bursting with flavor and incredibly satisfying. Let's dive in and make some amazing nachos masala together. First, let's create the heart of our dish, the masala topping. Begin by sautéing one finely chopped onion in a pan with a tablespoon of oil until it turns translucent. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 60 seconds until fragrant. Then, stir in 1 diced tomato and cook for approximately 3 minutes until it softens. Finally, mix in 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala for that authentic flavor. Now, let's assemble our nachos for baking. Start by spreading a single layer of your favorite tortilla chips on a baking sheet or an oven-safe dish. Next, evenly distribute about half of your freshly prepared masala topping over the chips. Then, generously sprinkle 1 cup of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese over the masala layer. Repeat these layers once more, ensuring every chip gets a good coating of both masala and cheese for maximum deliciousness. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your nachos masala. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your assembled nachos in the oven and bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is completely melted, bubbly, and slightly golden. Once out of the oven, garnish with fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lime juice, or a dollop of sour cream for extra freshness. Serve your incredible nachos masala immediately and savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.